Hello, my name is Samriddi. I go to John F. Kennedy High School. I'm a ninth grader, and for the last 10 weeks or so, I've been doing this program. So at the beginning, we started like all the way back in August. So first of all, it was just a light introduction. Our facilitators, she just came in, she just wanted to introduce us, and she gave us lots of surveys. So all the surveys about are to test our knowledge on what we know about climate change and climate justice, which was I absolutely knew nothing. So over the 10 years, I worked with my classmates. We worked on different projects like building small solar panels and then wind turbines, just the model of it. And I slowly began to learn about what climate change is all about, how I affect it and how we affect it. So today was the end of all. It all led up to this. So in the team, we made a presentation. We presented that to everyone else. The presentation was about what we all learned, which was basically how we can decrease our carbon footprint and get renewable energy, I guess. So for my team, we worked really hard on it. It was really exciting. At first, we were a little confused, but with our monitors' help and teachers' help, we kind of worked together. We kind of figured stuff out, and it was really fun. Thank you.
Great.